Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, do leave me a like, share and subscribe. Get straight into the video. Today's one, I'll be talking about my favorite tool, and a lot of you guys out there have been asking, I'm a homeowner, I'm a DIYer, what drill, cordless drill or cordless screwdriver should I buy to add to my toolbox? I personally love this one, and I carry it through all my job sites. I can get the model number right here. I'll put it there for a few seconds. And if you want to purchase this, I do have a link to a website to where you can get one of these Makita drills. It's made by Makita. It's a 10.8 volt drill. You can see here, I've got a 10.8 volt battery. When you buy it, it does come with two batteries, a box, and of course a charger. This thing charges really quickly, and what I like about it is that it can handle many jobs around the house. If you have a look right up there, it has a hammer drill function, it has a ratchet screwdriver function, and it has a normal drill function. Let's go through it one by one. In the normal drill function, okay, if you're going to be putting in a drill bit, let me find one. Okay, this just spins at the highest possible speed and torque that the drill can give you. If let's say you're using a screwdriver, like I have over here, this is a screwdriver bit, you don't want to use a drill function because that may end up ruining your piece. You want, let me change the battery, this is a bit weak. You want a ratchet function that you could adjust the torque. So when you reach a certain depth of the screw and a certain resistance, the drill will stop spinning, and in that way you do not damage your workpiece. And finally, this is a Masonry, this is for Masonry drill bits. It's a hammer drill function. And what that does is if you put in a Masonry drill bit, it gives you a hammer drill function while it turns, and this is more for concrete work. You know, if you need to sink a screw or a wall plug into a concrete wall, that is what this thing is good for. So it does accommodate all sizes of drill bits, and if you notice, I've been changing drill bits just like that. You know, you don't need one of these drill chucks to go in and change a bit. All you need to do is turn and the bit comes off. Yeah, so do consider getting one of this for your house. It's really handy. I don't regret getting this at all. I think it's one of the best little drills, cordless screwdriver things that you can get out there in the market. Well, I hope you liked that video. Once again, you can find the link to this in my description down below. Until the next time, yep, take care.